Here's the step-by-step process for authenticating your nursing documents for Kuwait. Step 1. Gather your required documents. You'll typically need the following: nursing certificates, nursing degree, BNSC, RN, RM, etc., transcript of records, professional documents, nursing council license from your country, good standing certificate from your nursing board, personal documents, passport, valid for at least 6 months, birth certificate, employment documents, if applicable, employment letter or offer from Kuwait, experience certificates, especially hospital work experience. Step 2. Authentication in your home country, Nigeria example. Before Kuwait accepts your documents, they must first be authenticated by Nigerian authorities. Step 1. Notarization. Take photocopies of your documents to a notary public or court to get them notarized, officially certified as true copies. Step 2. Federal Ministry of Education, for academic documents. Submit your degree, transcript. They'll stamp and authenticate that your qualification is from a recognized institution. Step 3. Ministry of Foreign Affairs, MFA. Take all your notarized and Ministry of Education stamped documents to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, MFA, Abuja for authentication. This confirms your documents are valid for international use. Cover letter from the applicant. Attach a cover letter stating your purpose for authenticating this document. Let them know your plans and future endeavors when you get into their country. Step 3. Kuwait Embassy Attestation in Nigeria. After MFA authentication, submit your documents to the Kuwait Embassy in Abuja. The embassy will verify and stamp them with the official seal. This stamp confirms your papers are valid and recognized by Kuwait authorities. Tip: bring photocopies and pay any required embassy fees. Embassy address: Plot 24, Colorado Close, Maitama, Abuja. Ensure authenticity. Kuwait has very strict laws, especially regarding document falsification. For foreigners who wish to live, get a job, or study in Kuwait, authentication and legalization of personal documents would confirm that the documents being presented are genuine and not forged. This applies to all other documents and not just for diplomas. Step 4. Ministry of Health, MOH, Kuwait. Once in Kuwait, or through your recruiting agency, your attested documents will be submitted to Ministry of Health Kuwait for verification, and Kuwait Nursing Council, if applicable, for licensing and exam registration. At this stage, they'll review your documents, check for equivalence, approve you for the MOH licensing exam or direct evaluation. Important tips: always use original documents for scanning and verification. Keep multiple attested copies. Kuwait may request extra. If using an agent or recruiter, ensure they're MOH approved. Some agencies also require medical tests and police clearance, attested as well. Faith declaration. The Lord will go before me and make the crooked path straight. Every paper, signature, and approval will align in my favor. Isaiah 45 verse 2. Stay tuned with us, subscribe, like and share our video, so you will get notified once we upload more videos.